The Waypoints Hyperlapse function works by first setting a route for the drone and then letting the drone follow that route and film in hyperlapse. It can create some truly amazing shots. Here's how to do it. First things first, fire up the DJI Fly app and tap on the hyperlapse feature, and then tap on Waypoints. Now here's where you get to be the director of your aerial movie. Customize your flight path by adjusting various parameters. You can opt for the reverse sequence, or play around with the interval between frames to control the speed and length of your masterpiece. Or, if you have a specific duration in mind, you can set it. With that done, it's time to plan your route. Start by marking your starting point with a simple tap of the plus button. Then, fly your drone to each waypoint you want to create. Make sure you keep an eye on the camera rotation angle. This little number at the bottom of your screen shows the number of degrees your drone has rotated from the previous waypoint. In this video, I tilted my gimbal upwards and raised my altitude for added cinematic effect. Once your route is set and you're happy with it, hit the start button and the drone does the rest. It will return to the first waypoint and restore its original altitude and gimbal angle. As it follows your route, you can check its progress on the map in the bottom left corner of your screen. The green line is your path. And there we have it. With a few final touches, your video will look amazing. Here's the final result.